Today I'm going to show you how you can fix invisible WhatsApp notifications in HTC U12 Plus. So if you don't see your WhatsApp alerts, always start from the simplest way, so check your DND mode. We have to open the top menu and expand icons. Now just look for the DND mode icon, then make sure that you have this feature deactivated, like here. Sometimes you can just enable it by the misclick and forget about that, so just check it. In the next step, hold the finger on the WhatsApp icon and open up info. We're gonna start from the notifications, of course. You have to check that you have this switcher activated. Then go to the advanced and choose additional settings in the app. Then check that you have turned on high priority notifications here and here. In the next step, let's open the data usage. Now you can enable the background data and unrestricted data usage. For that, if you still don't have your alerts, open the storage. Remember to make the backup of your messages before and choose clear storage. Choose OK. After that, you have to log in again to the WhatsApp and check your notifications. If you still don't have it, let's try to reset your network settings. So we have to open settings. Then open the system and select the reset options. Then select Wi-Fi, mobile and Bluetooth. Choose the reset settings, confirm the pattern, and tap on the reset settings button again. And the last step, try to upgrade your system, so you have to open the... I'm not sure, so let's check it. Maybe we're gonna use the app search bar. Let's find update. Let's consider have a software update in the above phone. So choose it and check that you have any updates. If you have, just install it and check your WhatsApp again. And this is the way how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a like or a comment and goodbye.